In this video, I'm going to show you how to post to multiple Facebook groups at once, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing I need you to do is to go to Play Store. Then you want to search for Meta Business Suite. Just search here for Meta. Let me just type it. Meta Business Suite, this one here. Then you need to download it. Here I've already downloaded the app. Then I'll just open it. Then it will direct me to my page here. Here is my page. After logging in and doing everything successfully, you need to click on create post. Okay. Then here are the groups that you can post to here. So I can just select the group that I want to post to. Just select done. Okay. Then I'll write a post. Then I'll just click on next. Okay. Let me just choose a theme here. Then I'll click on next. Okay. Then I'll just publish with just one button, just like this. The posts are now being published to all the groups that I've selected. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.